Hi there, young artists. We have an exciting project for you today. Get your creativity ready because you're about to learn how to draw mandala. Keep on watching. This is Pinoy Mandala. For this project, these are the materials that we need. Yes, we don't need a compass for this one. We need a coin, a masking tape or scotch tape. You can also replace it with a glass or a cup, a saucer plate, pencil and eraser, drawing pen or permanent marker, and coloring materials. In my case, I am using Sharpie pens. Step 1, you need to trace the coin at the center of the paper. For step 2, you will draw a cross inside the circle and add details as shown in the video. The lines will be our guide in the next steps. Okay, now let's go to step 3. We will draw the leaves of the mandala as guided by the lines inside the first circle. It is just like writing the letter C. We will need to repeat it 8 times. Step 4, we will draw smaller letter C's inside the leaves. See the video to see how it is done. Now let's go to step 5. The top of our smaller leaves will guide us in our next step, which is creating bigger leaves for the last circle. Okay, step 6 is very easy. We will just repeat the steps 3 to 5 as shown in the video. And then for step 7, we will add small circles inside the small leaves in our third circle. For step 8, we will now ink our sketch using our drawing pens or permanent markers. As for me, I use this drawing pen with point number 8. For step 9, you will erase the sketch and then your drawing will be revealed. For step 10, you are now ready to put colors in our mandala. You can copy the colors that I use in here or choose the ones that you like. Wow, that is looking really good. Now it is time to add more details in our work by adding more lines or smaller circles around it, just like what you see in the video. There you go. Here is our output for today. With more practice, you will be able to create more colorful and exciting mandalas. Please subscribe to my channel for more ideas and projects. Thank you.